Hello everyone and welcome back, or as I would say in Czech, ahoy a vítej zpět. We're Courtney and James and we live in our self-converted sprinter van DeeDee whilst travelling Europe. If you hadn't guessed, in this episode we're in the Czech Republic, visiting a medieval town / tourist trap, sipping the local budvar and staying on the world's grottiest campsite, an experience we'd rather forget to be honest. Oh, and there's bears too. It's a fun one, so stick around. Welcome to Czechia!
Just thought we'd pop in for a week.
Yeah, so we drove over from Austria this afternoon, over the border. Simple as, no one there, just drive straight across.
Yep, and now we're going to see
Cesky Krumlov, I think it's called.
basically an old town from the 1300s.
Yeah, like 13th century, I think, like a medieval town that's on the Vlada River?
Yeah, that sounds right. So yeah, we're going to go and see that.
Yeah, and see how shit scared Sally gets whilst we wander around. It's raining, so maybe it'll be a little quieter than normal, but hopefully it'll be good and we can find a nice Czech beer to have somewhere.
Yes, hopefully so. Come on then,
Come
Sally.
on then, Sal. Let's go. Let's go.
Pretty
cool. I wasn't expecting that just walking down the road, shaking my poo bag around.
Let's go see, shall we?
Yeah.
Honestly, want to give our hundreds of viewers some more information about this place?
Oh, I don't know enough. I just know that it's like a medieval town, UNESCO World Heritage Site.
300 buildings that are UNESCO
300
listed.
buildings are listed, and there's a massive castle that's been passed down through many different Czech families.
Is up there.
And then eventually it came into being owned by like the state after it was passed down through different families. So that would just be beautiful, I think, like a real quaint looking old town.
You know what? I can see just down there
A pub.
It says budvar, and I know that's beer.
Oh, is that beer?
Yeah, maybe we head down there.
Okay.
So this is one of the walkways in, and it gives you a really good view down into town. There's the pub that we're going to go to.
That's all he's worried about, down to the pub, the view of the pub.
And you can like hire kayaks and stuff down there and like go down the river, it looks like.
So pretty. This might be one of the prettiest places we've been to.
Oh, we're not in there yet.
Okay. But you always have the prettiest perspectives from up high, don't you?
Yeah.
So I think we're in a good position to make bold statements.
It would be nice if we had that drone again, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
So because we're cheap, we're not going to buy any tickets. Ticket obviously just there. But like there's 5 things you can pay to do. So you can pay to go in the castle, the tower, which is like up there. And it'd probably be quite a cool view, but you know. We've seen a good view already, and then there's like the museum. Oh, and there's 2 others. They were boring, so I didn't really pay attention. But we're just going to walk around the free bits.
You literally say my tour guide skills are awful. Yours are just as bad.
Yeah, see the castle, museum, and tower.
Ah, okay, 3 things there.
That's the ones I said, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe I don't. Maybe there isn't 5. Anyway, on with the tour. we walked across there before. Seems tiny now. Courtney's mesmerised.
I am.
That is quite the face. How are you finding it, Sally? Huh? Sally?
How are you feeling? Oh, a bit on edge. I'm a bit on edge and I'm not really sure why I like coming places like this, and I think we should just go back to the van, right? It's basically how she feels.
Tough shit. We are sat right where I wanted us to be.
Pretty
Nice
cool
views.
little spot actually. It's like a really like industrial style bar. Like,
Yeah, you can see all the things up here. I think they're like a museum sort of thing.
yeah.
And we're now right next to the water where people are on their kayaks and stuff. So yeah, I think we should order some big beers, yes?
Yes, I think so, but we should probably ask for a menu first. We've done that before where we've just asked for beer and then they give us the most expensive beer on the menu. So we just ordered 2
Good bar.
big Budvar beers, like 0.48 litres. I'm guessing that's like a
Half beer.
half a litre. That bigger than a pint.
Around it.
Around a pint. And it says 46 Czech. I don't know what the currency is.
Corona.
Corona. And then which is like £1.50 or something. Apparently. Oh, sounds pretty good to me.
Cheers.
Quite the head on that one. Happy?
Happy.
Lovely.
Multiplying beers.
Oh my god. Oh, we'll have to drink them.
Damn. Absolute travesty. How cool these coins are. Like, I feel like it's like really old money, but it's...
It's like edible money.
Wait,
So-
Anyway.
Anyway, it cost us the equivalent of 17 euros for 8 beers and
Chips.
a portion of chips.
8 beers is...
8 beers is a lot for 17 euros. So yeah, when we thought it was £1.50 a beer, it was £1.50 a beer.
And this is in one of the most touristy places in Czech Republic, so...
How much is it elsewhere? We're looking forward to finding out.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, rough maths, thinking about what this would have cost us in the UK, for 8 beers and a portion of chips, we're thinking about maybe 30 quid.
Yeah.
We paid 14. And the beer was fucking great as well.
Yeah. Compared to the beer you would drink for, what's that based on, like 3 quid? £3.50 a pint in the UK. For the average beer that you would get for £3.50 a pint in the UK.
It's
Like,
not an IPA, is it?
no. Yeah, you'd easily pay like 4 or more. 5
In Leeds anyway.
for that. So, winning! And now, we're gonna head back to the van.
Yeah, let's go back to the van, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We've had a lovely afternoon.
Up there.
Back to the van we go. Good morning. It is a Sunday now. Last night we finished our beers and yeah, came back to the van and just made pasta and got into bed basically. It was lovely, really, really nice time in Cesky Krumlov. I don't think we explored the whole town because a thunderstorm started to set in, so like I say, we rushed back, but it was lovely and we very rarely go out and just like sit and have beers and things, so it was a nice treat. James is just off getting a little bit of cash out because in obviously here they have their own currency, so we're going to go to a campsite tonight because we found one which is apparently like 10 euros a night, which sounds pretty awesome. So yeah, we're getting some cash out in case the campsite doesn't take card, and it's always good to have a little bit of cash just because you never know. And yeah, I've taken Sal for a little mooch around the castle gardens, which was lovely. then we're gonna get packed up and head to a little river, which is down the road, like 10 minutes on the road, I think. So yeah, just getting things sorted. James has done most of the cleaning whilst I was out for a walk, which is always a winner. So yeah, just a couple little things to do. Sal's making herself comfortable in the front. Are you ready to go? Good morning. Yes, so last night we came to a campsite. This isn't the campsite that we originally planned to come to. The one that we went to just was a bit minging, to be honest. So we thought, okay, we'll try another one. And we've come to this one. Looks nice, nice field. Like, pick a spot and park up. It's costing us €6 per night with electricity for 2 adults and a dog, which is mental. But then we went for a wee last night and went to have a shower, and we kind of realised why it's €6, which is the equivalent of like 200 Czech krona. And I'll just show you. I'll just show you why it's €6. So this is the shower block and the toilets. Nice ivy. Come in here. The washing up area. At one with nature. This is to do your teeth or your dishes, I'm not sure. It's looking great so far, isn't it, guys? And oh, someone's random t-shirt there. Then this is, everyone's in here. This is the men's toilet area. Like, it stinks in here, I'm not gonna lie. And the shower is disgusting. And literally, like, the cobwebs are insane. They're everywhere. Like, oh, it's to the point where, like, you don't want to, like, look around when you go in for a wee. You, like, sit down, just stare forward, don't look anywhere else. And these are the girls' loos. I mean, the toilet itself is, like, quite clean, to be fair, but so I'll give them that. But just not the greatest facilities we've stayed at. But then it's €6. So you could say, well, Courtney, what would you expect for €6? And you would be right. You should say that. But it was still a bit of a shock when it was dark last night and we got here. We were like, really? I want to have a nice hot shower. But you know, we needed the electricity because we've got work for the next few days, and it was cloudy all of yesterday afternoon and then raining, and it's meant to be cloudy today, although you wouldn't know it by the blue sky. So we thought, okay, we'll just go to a campsite and then top up the batteries so that we've got full power so we can use the inverter for a few days. Whether we'll stay here just tonight or whether we'll go elsewhere after work, I'm not sure. But the other benefit is that we're actually right next to the river, which is actually a really nice location. So I'll show you. Walking through here. So the location is lovely. There is a road just on the other side of the field, but it's not a busy road, so that hasn't really caused us any issues. So yeah, just thought we'd show you where we are, where we ended up staying. It's just funny that we decided to move from a campsite that looked a bit grotty to probably an even grottier one. But hey, what can you do? We have finished the work day and we are leaving. this god awful campsite. I just went to fill up a big bottle of water because they don't have like proper camper van facilities, so we can't fill the water tank in the van because they don't have like a hose or anything here. So I went to like the bathroom taps where you do like the washing up and stuff to fill up a drinking water bottle, and I kid you not, the water was yellow. So no water for us. I think we have enough to keep us going for like another day, but I'm not sure where we're gonna go, whether we're gonna go to another campsite and hope that it's better, or go to a free place and just try and forget about this very unique experience. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed seeing how our weekend in Czechia panned out. If you liked the video, we would really appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't already, as it really helps our channel grow. See you next time.